Celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Katinrai Jonkalongrinyeng, or the Roots of Identity in memory of the unsung heroes of the state, Shillong Law College, in collaboration with the Positive Energy Art Foundation, jointly organized a national seminar and national art workshop in the state from today to 3rd September 2022 at Sosothaum Auditorium. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture F.R. Kharkungor said the theme Katinrai Jonkalongrinyeng, which talks about the roots of identity, is something which is very relevant not only 75 years but for all time to come, because we need to remember how this freedom was brought about. He appreciated the Government of India and the Ministry of Culture for putting a spotlight on the unsung heroes like Tirot Singh's Aim, Kyang Nangba and Patogon Sangma, who fought against the British with just bow and arrows.
Katinrai Jonkalongrinyeng, which talks about the roots of identity, I think is something which is very relevant, not only for 75 years but for all time to come. I would like to appreciate the Government of India and the Ministry of Culture for putting a spotlight on the unsung heroes, on the leaders such as Tirot Singh and Kyang Nongba and Patogan Sangma, who in a sense are the precursors to the Indian national movement.
Attack by